It is week 3 on the mini braids hair growth challenge. On this channel, I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair long. Join me on this journey and let's get into today's video. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I'm going to be talking a little bit about taking care of the ends of your hair and also how I'm getting on 3 weeks into this mini braids challenge. So I hope everyone is doing well who's also joined me from week 1. I hope your hair is doing okay. This is what my hair is looking like. It's looking okay. It's still looking quite neat and I'm happy with the progress. I am starting to see lots of growth, which is really encouraging me to continue for the 12 weeks of this challenge. For the main part, I'm continuing my normal hair routine, and in today's video, as I stated, I'm going to be talking about taking care of your ends. So at this point, my hair is already washed and now I'm going to be doing the next part of my routine. So the reason why we focus on our ends is because it's the oldest part of our hair, and if we lose that part of the hair, then we won't see very much progress up the shaft of our hair. Taking care of our ends also means there's less need to trim away any progress that we see, because that's where generally we see split ends. As you know, hair on this channel is all about using simple methods of growing your natural hair. I do a lot of long-term protective style, such as mini twists and mini braids, and all of those styles do, although they give me lots of growth, they do take a toll on the ends of my hair. So I am showing you there what the ends of my hair look like. I normally try to look at 3 things when it comes to my ends. Number 1, if they are quite brittle, if they're hard to touch. If they are brittle and hard to sort of like moisturize or anything like that, I know that it's time to get rid of those ends. There's nothing I can do to get them back. So I try to minimize heat and anything like that, any blow drying and anything like that that will really make my hair quite damaged at the ends. I generally just use rollers to stretch my hair and no sort of direct heat on the ends of my hair, because that's generally what causes my hair ends to be frizzy. The next thing I look out for, of course, is split ends. If there's split ends, I generally just cut them away as well. Split ends is normal cause of shedding and breakage in our hair, and so if we get rid of those, we actually leave our hair nice enough to retain the length of our hair. So if you're seeing split ends at the end of your hair, it is time to trim those away. The next thing I look out for when it comes to the ends of my hair is if it's dry. And now that's what I'm going to be covering in this video, how I keep my hair moisturized. If the ends of my hair is dry, I feel like it looks quite stringy and just doesn't curl. So if I see curls there, and I always say on my videos, that curls is a sign that the ends of my hair is moisturized. So in this video, I'm showing you how I'm taking care of my ends. So I normally just moisturize my hair with S-Curl, and I spray that along the whole length of my hair and focus really on the ends of my hair. S-Curl's got glycerin in there, and so it will keep the moisture in your hair for longer, as opposed to other moisturizers that's not glycerin based. And so in this video, you see me really focusing on getting the products all the way down to the ends of my hair. I then apply a sealant, which is usually castor oil or grease, and in this video I'm using castor oil. Castor oil is wonderful for the ends of your hair. In fact, it's better to use castor oil on the ends of your hair as opposed to the roots, because if you put castor oil on the roots of your hair, you might get dandruff, but if you put it on the ends of your hair, you will get thickness from it. Stated before, the ends of your hair is the oldest part, and so the getting the moisture there and getting a good routine around your ends will encourage you to retain length in order to grow your natural hair. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you're liking the information in this video. Leave me a comment down below and share this video with all your friends and family and anyone you think that might gain benefit on their natural hair journey. On this channel, I'm sharing very simple, easy ways of growing your natural hair. And once again, thank you so much for all my new and returning subscribers. There's a lot of new subscribers once again around this content, so I know that you love mini braids, and so comment down below, let me know how you're getting on. If there's any questions that you have pertaining to any of the challenges that you see on my channel, I'm very happy to help you to answer those. So also, yes, I put castor oil on my ends, but I also seal it with grease. The main thing is to make sure that the moisture that you put in your hair, especially on the ends, is sealed in, because that's how it's going to last for the longest amount of time. And so applying a good sealant to your ends will allow it to be moisturized, and in my case, look quite curly. And I like the look of quite curly ends. I know my hair is dry when the ends are not curly. Video showing you the second part of my routine where I do my scalp, I moisturize my hair, and I take care of my ends and hair. You see me applying once again my virgin hair fertilizer, but I'm also using my own products. And in one of my upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how I'm also incorporating my own natural hair growth products into my routine, because it's also good to get away from all the synthetic hair growers and try to stick to as natural ingredients as possible. And so I've created a few oils that's helping me on my hair journey, and I'll be sharing that with you. They will of course be for sale, so look out for information on that, and I do hope that you get great results from the products. So as you know, there's tons of content around virgin hair fertilizer on my channel. As a sulfur-based product, it really helps to minimize the dandruff in my hair, and it also helps me to get that bit much more growth, which I absolutely love. You know I love growth. This channel is all about growing your natural hair long. So check out my virgin hair fertilizer playlist, where I go through in detail how to incorporate virgin hair fertilizer into your hair regimen to get better growth on your hair. So just quickly, a 3-week update. I'm feeling fantastic about my hair. It's looking well, it's growing well, and I'm really settling now into this set of mini braids. I really like the look of them. As you can see, they look beautiful. The front of my hair is not really looking great, and I'm gonna have to trim it again, I think, but the back is growing wonderful. And I think that's a little bit hormone related in terms of the hair growth in the front of my hair. At the sides has always been the slower parts of my hair, so I'm quite used to that, but the rest of my hair is looking fantastic, and so I'm focusing on that, and I'm nursing back to health the bits that don't look so great. Once again, do share your thoughts and how you are growing your natural hair as well to help everyone in the community. I really look forward to hearing from all of you that subscribe. Thank you so much. So once again, this video covered some of the things to look for if your hair ends is damaged and how you can overcome some of those. So for example, if it's frizzy, if it's split, and also using castor oil and sealing in your ends, and really paying attention to taking care of your ends to grow it long, to grow your natural hair long. Thank you so much for watching my week 3 update. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.